In this activity, we're going to be packaging medicines through a process called spherification. For this activity, you're going to need a shallow baking dish or a bowl like this, your beaker, a mesh strainer or some other strainer that has small holes, a package of the sodium alginate, a package of the calcium lactate, a little color dye tab, some pipettes, and an itty bitty scoop. So to begin, you're going to fill up your beaker full of water and you're going to put it into your shallow dish. Then you're going to take your calcium lactate package and you're going to put the whole thing into this dish. You want to take a whisk or a fork and stir this until it's completely dissolved. This may take a couple of minutes. Stir until there are no more solid pieces in the calcium lactate. The next thing you want to do is you want to fill up your beaker with 100 milliliters of water. And again, what you might want to do to find it easier is to mark where 100 milliliters is with your marker, and then fill it up after that. Then we're going to add our color dye tab here. Our color dye tab is fully dissolved in the water, and you can see that my water here is blue, and that's going to represent our medicine. You can make this solution darker if you like by just adding a couple of drops of food coloring as well. Next, we're going to put the sodium alginate into the colored water. For this, you're going to need the little tiny spoon here. We want to add 3 scoops of the sodium alginate into our medicine here. We'll give this a quick stir, and it's not going to completely dissolve right now, but you're going to want to microwave this for about a minute or so. And again, depending on your microwave, it may take a little bit longer or a little bit less time. If it starts to bubble over, make sure you stop the microwave, let it cool down for a few seconds, and then restart. But you do want this to be completely dissolved. Allow your sodium alginate to cool for about 3 or 4 minutes before starting the spherification process. To make the spheres, you want to be really close to the water, but not too close. And then you want to just drop-wise let the solution flow out. And you should be able to, with a little bit of practice, make perfect little spheres. Once the spheres have completely solidified, you can take a strainer and take the spheres out. And when you put them in your hand, they should be perfect little spheres. And if you try to pump them, they should be liquid on the inside.